Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Today in this video I'm gonna be talking about the 6 best Android application that I use on daily basis. So yes, these are all the 6 application that you're going to see on this video right here. So if you're watching this video right now and you're not subscribed to my channel, so definitely consider subscribing to my channel before starting this video. Yes, I make and upload videos on every week, so this video is going to be all about all the 6 applications, and link for downloading all those 6 applications will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check those out. And without further ado, so let's just jump right into the video. So the first application on the list is Legend. As you can see here, this is the application. If you want to create animated text in your smartphone, then this is the best application that you have got on the Play Store, and it's completely free. So let's just open up the application. As you can see, the interface is quite simple and I like this thing. The interface of this application is minimalistic. So in order to create an animated text, here you have to write your text. So let me write for that further. Let me write demo text. Demo text, and after you write, you have to click on this icon, as you can see, and after clicking on this play button, your animation will be ready. As you can see here, you can see the animation, and there are different animation as well. The best thing I like about this application, there are tons of application that you can choose from. If you choose this demo text application, and if you choose this animation, it will be shown like this. If you choose a different animation, it will be a different one. If you choose this one, so these are all the different application, and there are a ton of different animations that you can choose from. And just below that, you can also choose the color for your text. So right now it's in black and white. If you can choose the red color, it will be shown in the red. So the best part about this application is you can just create animated text with the help of your smartphone. So basically, after you created the animated text, you can just head on over to the settings icon, and it will give you the options to download the animation. So before that, you can see there are two options. One is format and another is size. So you can either choose the format to be in square or landscape, and coming to the size, only available options are 3, that is 512p, 720p and 1080p. So if you want, you can download the animation at 720p or 1080p, it depends on you. And after you have done all those things, you have to click on this little download button, and as you can see, you can save the animated text as a GIF, or you can save this as a video. So let me save it as a video. So as you can see, it says building your legend as MP4 1080p. So after this thing is completed, so your video will start downloading. So this is a nice application, I think so. The link for this application will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check those out. So the next application on the list is Night Screen. As you can see here, this is the application itself, and as the name suggests, if you're looking at your smartphone at time of night hours, or if you're reading something at night, then this application might be useful for you. As you can see, this is the application itself. So if you can tap into this application, as the name suggests, it would give you a slider for controlling your brightness. So basically, from the slider here, you can control your device. You can tone down the brightness, tone up the brightness, and after that you can leave the application. So the best part about this application is, after you leave the application, it will control the brightness that you have already set, and it will be always running at the notification set, as you can see here. So if you want, you can just pause the brightness for the time being, and again it will be back to the normal brightness, and again if you want, you can just resume the brightness, or either you can close it off. So this is a nice application. The link for this application will be on the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this out. So the next application on the list is internet speed meter. As you can see here, this is the application itself. The application is quite self-explanatory. If you want to know what application you're using and what is the amount of data that you're consuming on a daily basis and through what application, you can always have a look into this application. So by opening the application, the interface is quite simple. As you can see several columns, one for data, mobile, Wi-Fi and total. So as you can see here, the data consumptions will be divided into two segments. One is for mobile and another is for Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, it will give you the breakups through which you have consumed the data. You have consumed so far this much amount of data through mobile, you have consumed this much amount of data through Wi-Fi, and also it will give you the total amount of data that you have consumed. And the best part about this application is, if you can go down, you can see here what is the total amount of data that you have consumed for this month. So this is a nice application if you want to keep track of how much data you're consuming on a daily basis. So definitely give this application a try. And also one thing more, if you can leave this application, if you can go into the notification set, as you can see here, internet speed meter will give you a live pop-up. So that means as you can see here, the mobile data so far is 892.3 MB. So far today I have consumed 892.3 megabits of data through mobile and 0 MB of data through Wi-Fi. And also as you can see here, it is giving you a live feed for download and upload speed. So if you're downloading something or uploading something through your smartphone, you can always check what is the speed at which the application or something is getting downloaded or something is getting uploaded. So this is a very nice application. The link for downloading this application will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this out. So the next application on the list is VPN Easy. So as the name suggests, it is a virtual private network application. So the application is quite self-explanatory. If you are opening this application, the application interface is quite simple. As you can see, 3 tabs are there. So the first tab would give you an idea how much data you have consumed through this application, and the second tab you can just click on connect to get connected to the internet, and the third tab is for selecting the server. So if you can click on the third tab, it will give you a different server location from which you can choose which server you want to get connected to. And if you want to have a safer experience on the internet, definitely check this application out. So definitely rather explaining this application, I would say the link is in the description, so definitely go and have a look into this application. So basically you don't have to do anything. After opening the application, you can just click on connect. So it will definitely take some time, and after that it will get connected to the internet. So as you can see, it is taking a bit of time, and yeah, definitely it will take some time. As you can see in the notification set, as you can see here, it is written VPN is connecting. So as you can see here, it is connected, and so far we have connected for 4, 5, and it is going on so much seconds. So definitely after connecting to the application itself, it will give you a key like symbol on the notification set. So if you want to have a safer experience, and if you don't want your data and IP address to be revealed to the other internet user, so you can have a look into this application. So link for downloading this application will be in the YouTube show notes, so definitely give a try. So the next application on the list is Navbar Apps. As you can see here, this is the application itself. So as the name suggests, when you open this application, it will give you an option to change the color of the navigation bar. So as you can see here, this is the default color of my navigation bar, and as you can see here, if I can slide this up, and it will give you an option to change the color of your navigation bar. So you have to give this thing a permission. So let me just do it. Okay, so let me just find it. As you can see here, it's showing Navbar Apps. If I can click on this, so it will ask me for the permission. Then I will have to slide this thing up and click on OK, and we are ready to go. So as you can see here, so I have already enabled the permission for this thing. Now let me just open up the dialer, and as you can see here, it will definitely choose the color from the application itself. So depending on the application, if we can open the message application, so definitely it will open up the color from the message application, and it depends on the application to application. So let me just open up YouTube for that matter, and as you can see, give me a moment. Let me just open YouTube. As you can see, I've opened the YouTube, and as you can see, the color of the navigation bar is red. So it depends on the application, on which color the application is. So if the color of the application is red, so definitely the navigation bar will turn into red. So if the color of the application is blue, so as you can see, definitely it will change the color of the navigation bar to blue. So this is a nice customizing app. So the link for downloading this application is in the YouTube show notes, so definitely check this application. So the last application on the list is Coated. So as you can see here, this is the application itself, and this is a nice little application. So if you want to have such kind of pics as a wallpaper, as you can see, the codes are there and background wallpaper is there, you can always definitely have a look into this application. And the fact I like about this application, if you can swipe left to right or right to left, every time the codes would be changed, and there are different options given the bottom of the application. So if you want, you can change the alignment. So as you can see here, you can just tap into the align button to change the alignment, and also there are tons of fonts. So if you want, so it depends on you which font you would like. So you can change the fonts, as well as you can change the size of the font. You can decrease it, increase it, and this is a nice application. And the best part I like about this application is every time you open the application, it will give you a new background for the codes. So as you can see here, this is the background that right now I have. So if I close the application, and right now if I open the application once again, it will give me a different background with a different code. So definitely, if you want to have such kind of code pics as a wallpaper, you can always give this application a try. And also, if you want to put some of these wallpapers in your Instagram profile, that would be great. So definitely give this application a try. The link for downloading this application is in the YouTube show notes. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, if you like what you saw, give this video definitely a thumbs up. And also, if you're till now subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because like this one, I make videos on every week. So that's it. Thanks all of you for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.